Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, traders, and welcome to the 878th edition of Short-Term Trading Live with Oscar. Good evening, traders. Let me get right into this with you, traders. First of all, we know futures trading is extremely risky, can cause substantial financial loss, and is not suitable for every trading account. Let's get that out of the way. Look at what's on this screen before your eyes. Traders, just last night during my OMNI camp, I've been holding a 4-day OMNI camp. Today will be the last day. I thought I'd give you this video tonight to keep you in tune. However, last night on Sunday, during Friday and Saturday of my OMNI camp, we're studying the emini S&P, we're studying the Nasdaq, we're studying the Russell, and we see something massive about to happen. We think it's extremely bullish. We don't know what it is. And we look at the charts and come up with this market should trade up to about 1350 in the June S&P or 1342, 43 in the SEP. So I look at that, and it's a Friday morning, or it's actually Friday night. Saturday morning, we look at it again. It's the same work. It looks really like the market wants to explode. So I did last night's video for you. And as it turns out, yes, there was news. The news was that Spain got bailed out by the ECB to the tune of about 100 billion euros or 125 billion US dollars. And the market did go all the way to 1248 in SEP or 1242 SEP June. But traders, there's a problem. Here is what Europe is doing wrong. If you remember what the Fed did in 2008 with the United States, they said every one of your banks needs to be bailed out. We're bailing out every one of you now. All at once, take the money whether you want it or not. And that really did help. Now you have the situation just like this in Europe with the ECB, and they're bailing out one country at a time. They're not bailing them out quickly. They're allowing these countries to stand there with this political posture. We don't need money. We don't need to be bailed out. And of course they do, because these countries are almost bankrupt. The problem that they're having right now is that they're not bailing out all of these countries at once. And look at how they got punished. It's like they wasted 100 billion euros yesterday. Look at how they were punished for not bailing out more than just Spain. The market goes all the way up here, turns around and puts in a massive swing day reversal back down. And now we're outside of this channel, and it looks like we will go lower. So, Europe needs to bail out every country in the treaty at once. This is such nonsense with this BS political posturing, allowing these countries to pretend they don't need the money until they're broke and then giving it to them one country at a time. Don't you see, Europe, that this is absolutely wrong? You need to bail out every country at once, make the announcement, and get the ball rolling. But for now, I am finishing my last day of OMNI camp. I wanted to share this video with you. This is video number 878. It's being filmed on Monday, June 11th for trading, Tuesday, June 12th. Traders, you're looking at the emini S&P. Massive rally. The news did come out. The charts absolutely told us something was going to happen. And the bailout brought the S&P all the way up here to 42. And it broke back down massively. Huge reversal swing day bar. The bailout was just wasted money because they're not bailing out everyone at once. And they are going to punish these markets for what has happened. So we are likely looking at much lower tonight into tomorrow on these U.S. indices. As you can see, after that big rally turned around to be a massive swing day outside of the channel. And it looks like we will go lower. Let's go look at the Nasdaq. Traders, the Nasdaq, no different. Look at this massive swing day reversal right back down. And you know what? We have a problem here now, obviously, because you can't have a market go up this far, lose its legs, and end up settling at its lows without recognizing that the market has reversed. This is a problem, I assure you. So we will go down very likely on Tuesday. OMNI will be selling rallies on Tuesday. We are finishing up OMNI camp, but I want you to have this video so that you can see what's going on here. This will likely rally a bit more, and then we'll have to be sold, and we'll end up dropping on Tuesday. Now, let's go take a look at the Russell. Traders, the Russell 2000. Let's take a look at this. You have an inverted head and shoulders building, which is wonderful because at some point this is a bullish formation. But for now, we remove these circles, and you look at what's going to happen for Tuesday, and Tuesday does not look very good. This is a massive, massive outside reversal swing bar back down. Massive. This tells you the market is very likely coming back down again. What makes it an outside reversal? It went higher than yesterday's high, came back down, went lower than yesterday's low, and settled lower than yesterday's low. That, I assure you, is an outside reversal. Look at any textbook and should put pressure on this market. Once again, you're going to do a bailout. Bail out everyone that needs it, or don't bother wasting the money. Look at the waste of money here. Let's look at another chart. Traders, look at the 30-year bonds. It looked promising with that swing day left in here on Friday, right? Look at what happened on Monday. Smash down, turn around, ricochet back up into a swing day. This will likely be perceived as some kind of a bull flag here, with this being the flagpole, and bonds right back into its rally, looking to move higher once again. Bonds looking strong. Indicators are strong. Big, big, massive, massive turnaround swing day to the upside. Bonds higher, S&P and Nasdaq lower. That should be what takes place on Tuesday. Let's look at that S&P one more time. Traders, there it is, the S&P. This is what we're going to have to deal with on Tuesday. Look at the waste of money the ECB put out. Helping one country at a time is nonsense. It's meaningless. It's going to waste a lot of money. You need to help all the countries in your treaty so the rally that started yesterday can continue. What we have now, massive, massive turnaround swing day. This market is likely going to just run up a little more and get hammered, and the money gets thrown out the window. Traders, I hope that's not the case, but after what I just showed you, what else can be the result here? Outside reversal down days mean the market is going to reverse and go down. Swing days on top of that confirm it. Away we go back to the downside, and let's hope it doesn't go too far too fast. Traders, thank you so much for watching my video. Please come on down to livewithoscar.com. Jump into my free trading room where I can help you understand markets and technical analysis the way I've viewed it for the last 30 years and learned it from the old pros down on the trading floor. Thank you so much for viewing. Futures trading is risky and can cause substantial financial loss. We do not claim or guarantee that you will profit from the information provided.